In this video, I will share with you the top 5 air fryers of 2024, exploring their features, performance, and overall value. Number 1. Wanmi 5L Spray Type Visible Air Fryer. The Wanmi 5L Spray Type Visible Air Fryer boasts a transparent design, allowing users to monitor their food's progress without opening the fryer. With a generous 5-liter capacity, it caters well to households of all sizes. Equipped with multifunctionality, this electric oven serves beyond mere frying, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The 220 volts power supply ensures efficient performance, while the spray-type mechanism ensures even cooking with minimal oil usage. Its large capacity and transparent design make it a standout option for those who value convenience and precision in their cooking. Number 2. IKIDE 3.5L Smart Electric Air Fryer. Sporting a sleek and modern design, the IKIDE 3.5L Smart Electric Air Fryer integrates seamlessly into contemporary kitchens. Its 3.5-liter capacity makes it ideal for smaller households or individuals. The LED touchscreen interface enhances the user experience, allowing for easy operation and control. Despite its compact size, this air fryer doesn't compromise on performance. Its automatic baking feature ensures consistent results, while its oil-free frying capability caters to health-conscious users. For those seeking a compact yet powerful air fryer with smart features, the IKIDE model proves to be an excellent choice. Number 3. 2023 New Visual Air Fryer. The 2023 new Visual Air Fryer stands out with its large-capacity electric oven and heavy-duty construction. With a flat metal pan design, it offers versatility in cooking various types of food items. The 2-in-1 and 3-in-1 functionalities expand its utility beyond traditional air frying, catering to diverse culinary needs. The visual aspect allows users to monitor their food easily, ensuring precise cooking results every time. This air fryer is perfect for households looking for a robust and multifunctional appliance to streamline their cooking process. Number 4. New Air Fryer Double Warehouse 9L Capacity. Offering an impressive 9-liter capacity, the new Air Fryer Double Warehouse model is a powerhouse in the world of air frying. Its multifunctional design caters to a wide range of cooking styles, from frying to baking and beyond. The generous capacity makes it suitable for large families or entertaining guests. Equipped with automatic features, this fryer simplifies the cooking process, delivering consistent and delicious results with minimal effort. Its spacious double warehouse design allows for the simultaneous cooking of different food items, enhancing efficiency in the kitchen. Number 5. WAFLZ 1217B Air Fryer. Rounding up our list is the WAFLZ 1217B Air Fryer, boasting a massive 12-liter capacity and fully automatic operation. This air fryer is designed for those who demand nothing but the best in terms of capacity and functionality. Its oil-free frying capability ensures healthier meals without sacrificing taste or texture. The multifunctionality of this appliance extends to baking and other cooking methods, making it a versatile companion in the kitchen. The large capacity and fully automatic operation make it ideal for busy households or avid entertainers who need to prepare large quantities of food with ease.